Should be on the other
Okay,
side.
that's good.
You're outside.
Shoot. That's really
This
good.
comms would have been very nice. Oh, there's not.
Ooh.
You can have my crown.
How are we gonna do this?
You gotta go all the way down to Lazy.
It might be fine. I don't need a crown. Just
Car would be nice. Car would be nice.
the car almost got killed in, and then I got killed.
Took 5 kills.
You got 5 kills?
Yeah.
That car is not very fast.
In real life, it is. Nissan Skyline GT. It's like this. I'm ready to thunder pump people.
Break.
They're still watching.
Hey, Dad.
I can't read that stuff. What, buddy? Your brain is not functioning properly today.
Can we go back to Caddy Corner
I don't care.
and like get this stuffy stuff?
What stuff?
Like
Vault?
the thing. Oh. Keep rebooting, just keep rebooting, just keep rebooting. I see them, they don't notice here that. What can I have? What mythic? I'm out. Had to get out.
Gotta get used to this thing again.
Place the food in.
Nope.
Oh no! Oh well.
What?
I'm going in storm to get that loot. Oh well. I should be fine.
Okay.
Okay. There should be meds in here. It's only a 1 tick, so I should be fine.
You're fine.
Uh,
Then I'll come get you.
okay.
Just out here,
Open,
you know,
open,
playing
open.
John Wick right now.
Oh. Slurp, slurp. Slurp juice. Slurp, slurp. Slurp juice. Oh. Keep rebooting, just keep rebooting, just keep rebooting. I see them, they don't notice here that. What can I have? What mythic? I'm out. Had to get out.
Gotta get used to this thing again.
Place the food in.
Nope.
Oh well.
What?
I'm going in storm to get that loot. Should be fine.
Okay.
Okay. There should be meds in here.